Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the front brake pads on Chrysler Grand Voyager. First we start by removing the. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we remove the two bolts that are on the brake caliper. After removing the bolts, we remove the brake caliper and we change the brake pad. Next to the brake cylinder compression tool, we'll push in the brake cylinder on the brake caliper and then we'll put the brake caliper on. Next, we'll put on the two bolts that hold the brake caliper, and that's it. Don't forget to press the brake pedal a few times afterwards so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position.